Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix speaker crackling sound after update in Samsung Galaxy A35. If you're using Galaxy A35 and you're facing the issue that once you updated your phone, your speakers are not crackling, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to make a force restart, just scroll on the control center and here you must see the power button, click on it, click on restart and then click on this icon again. It will make a restart your phone. So if there will be any software glitch, it will be fixed in this app so you might not get this issue again. If your issue is still not fixed, so you can go to your YouTube app here. Just go to YouTube app and here click on the search icon and here you must see you have to search for this one. As you can see, I have searched for 165 hertz speaker clean. Just scroll down and you can open the first video or any video from here. So this video has a sound of a specific frequency, so which will help you to clean out your speaker. You just have to open that video to play the sound and just maximize your volume. And once you have done, just wait for until that video ends. And once the video completely ends, you have to retry to check your phone speaker if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, go to settings here, scroll down to and go to general management, go to reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings, and then click on reset again. So it will completely reset your phone settings. If there will be any issue with your any phone setting, it might be fixed in this app and you will not get this issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issues, you can check for your hardware speaker if there will be any issues, so you can clean them and you can repair your speakers so you might not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.